Getting a little char in there.
We're on the road again. Aaron is ordering our foods before we go.
We're not getting food, we're just getting drinks.
That's also types of foods.
Oh, you want food too?
You will not eat.
Are you hungry?
Oh, what time we will go home and eat?
I don't know. What time do you, that's what I was asking. Are you hungry?
A little bit.
Okay, we'll get something to eat too then.
Yeah. It's cold today. This morning it's super cold. We need to heat up our cars first, and we will go outside for a date.
I don't know if I would call it that, but
We're on a date because it's Aaron's rest day. Our favorite drink, scooters. Scooters.
One second, let me pull that up for you. It's good enough.
alright, thank you.
This is.
I think I forgot to add the whip thing to yours.
Oh, there's no whip, y'all. Because you said there is.
I thought there was I thought it came on that with it. Oh shit, my car just died. Alright, can I get a meat and potato breakfast burrito with bacon?
Meat potato breakfast burrito with bacon. Would you like a combo or just
Uncle John's. Taco John's, I mean. Because in Philippines we have Uncle John's. This is Taco John's. We have lots of. This is my favorite. What do you call this?
Potato olays.
Potato olays. I like it. Burrito. This is burrito.
With burrito.
Breakfast.
My guilty pleasure every once in a while.
Potato olays. Cards. Lots of cards. Aaron's storage room. My luggage. That broken TV, flat screen TV.
Yeah, I have to get rid of that, unfortunately.
You can sell it even it's ano. It's cold here. So we're shopping, guys, for a gift for Raiden's birthday, 7th birthday.
The rumble horn.
He likes dragons, so Aaron is choosing some dragons. There are lots of toys here.
Maybe I'll just get him this other big ass one. Because it makes sound too. Yeah, so I don't know what else it is, but it's the big one, the Titan or whatever. Trailblazer.
Nagka-car hunting kami, guys, for my car. So we found a new vehicle, guys.
Well, not yet. We're test driving.
But Aaron fell in love with it already.
I didn't say that. You can't let them know that. You can't. No.
Well, I like it too because not too big, not too small. Just fit on me. It's a, what do you call this color? Maroon or red? So we're in a test drive. Let's see. I feel comfortable here also. So this is the second car, guys, that we are cool, guys, for adventure.
Yeah.
Aaron, this is... You will buy this in the future.
Yeah, once you start making money so help us out. So I can get a new vehicle.
So we will get lots
My
of
car just
adventure.
died. Yeah.
I'll be right back. I have to reprint this one for whatever reason. I'll be right back.
Is that Clayton was up?
Yeah.
Oh, hey, how's it going?
How are you?
Good. Well, I think they look quite delicious. Chicken skewers. Chicken skewers. Oh man, we're almost getting this thing going, aren't we? It's coming along.
Slowly but surely.
Hard at work, are we? Alright, now the grill's nice and hot. We gotta clean her off. Watch what, keep an eye on that flame.
Need a pot. Somebody do something. See, you take this.
Hard at work. Gonna be grilling.
Wow.
That was a pretty good puzzle put together session.
The genius. 1,000
For sure.
puzzles. 1,000 pieces.
Kebabs. Rice. Wild rice mix. And squash. What do you think, Jane? Number one.
One.